So for this video, I want to talk about what I call the natural edge up. Now we're used to seeing pictures that I don't really prefer this look, where it's a very hard edge, almost like it's intended to not look realistic. I'll do it for certain clients, they request it, but it's basically you just follow a straight line. After you draw on the hairline, you follow it to the T, and you don't stagger it at all. And the look that I more so promote is the soft edge hairline, where there's no distinct line there, it's just kind of fades into a natural hairline. But there is this in-between area though, and that's what I call the natural edge up. So it looks like you just came fresh from the barber, but it's not the kind of look that's going to make someone look closer at your head and be like, why is it so sharp? Why does it look so not real? You see here with this client, starts off, I draw on the hairline the way most of my typical before pictures start. As I start to work on his head, I am using the SMP-1 needles throughout the front, and then working in the SMP-3 needles. But you see right along the edge of this hairline, I am staggering a little bit, but not so much to create a soft hairline. And as you see in the end result, this makes it so that the client still has the appearance of a fresh cut at the barber, but it's not something that distracts your eye and makes you want to stare at it.